Hello friends, this is Max, and I will give you 5 easy methods to turn off the flashlight on your iPhone. Without wasting your time, let's jump to the first side button method. The first quick and easy method is using the side button. By default, the side button activates Siri with a long press and hold the side button. Just say turn off the torch or flashlight. In this way, Siri will help you to turn off the torch on the lock screen as well. If you are having trouble with Siri because Siri is disabled on your iPhone, follow the next easy method. Turn off the torch from the notch. This method is for the notch iPhone model. When the torch is on, you will see a torch icon near your iPhone notch on the lock screen or home screen. Just tap on the torch icon and again tap to turn off the flashlight on iPhone on iOS 18 and later update. Turning off the flashlight from the lock screen. Now, iOS 18 and later users can customize the lock screen shortcut from torch or remove the torch shortcut from the lock screen completely. If you keep a torch on the lock screen, touch and hold the torch icon until you feel a haptic response to turn off the flashlight. That's it. Otherwise, you can turn on and turn off the torch shortcut from the control center. This method turns off the flashlight on any iPhone and iOS version. Swipe your finger from the top right corner to open the control center. Tap on the torch shortcut to turn off from the control center. Another method for iPhone 15 and later users is to use the action button. A customized action button allows users to turn on and off the flashlight using the action button. Open the action button settings from your iPhone settings app. Just open it on the screen, scroll to the action button, and set torch by swipe left or right to use action button for flashlight. Go back and check how it works. Press the action button until you feel haptic, and turn off the flashlight quickly like this. All of the methods are handy for different iPhone users. Don't miss sharing what you want to use in the comment box below. Also, like and subscribe if this video is helpful.